When you experience a covered loss while traveling, Allianz Global Assistance makes it easy to file a claim. You have 90 days from the date of your loss to submit your claim to us, except as otherwise provided by law. First, go to our homepage and select File a Claim. Enter your email address or your policy number. Then, enter your departure date or the date you purchased your policy. Enter claim details, such as when the incident occurred, the reason for your claim, and a brief description of what happened. Add up all the covered prepaid travel expenses you lost. Then, submit documents to support your claim. If you don't have everything you need, you can add the documents later. Choose how you'd like to receive reimbursement of an approved claim: by check, on your debit card, or by direct deposit. Please allow up to 10 business days for your claim to be reviewed and processed. You can check your claim status anytime online or on our Travel Smart app. If you need help, call us.